Hi guys, it's Makita. Now I am back in the kitchen and I brought my harvest with me. So I wanted to show you guys I don't just grow this stuff and let it sit there. My first year gardening, I did a lot of that. I did a lot of growing, watching it grow. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. And we hardly ate anything because at the time, I have to admit, it was foreign to me to eat what I grew. For some reason, it was still more appealing from the market than it was what I grew. Go figure, probably a self-worth thing. But the bottom line is now we're going veggies. So you have to harvest the veggies and prepare them in a way that you can eat them later, because we're not always in the position to eat our veggies right then. So what I'm going to do with what I'm going to do right now with my greens is I'm starting a fresh water in my sink. So I've got my water running. And then I usually put a little apple cider vinegar in there. Let me get some apple cider vinegar. Just this drop. And then I usually put a smidge of sea salt in my water. And what that does is it draws out any bugs that are in there that I do not want in my body. Majority of the time you're going to eat some bugs, even when you buy the produce that you buy, and more so from the store. But the produce that you grow, bugs are there. So what you're gonna do is you take once you pick your collards, well, no, turnips, any of my leafy greens, what I do, start my sink of water. Now I've got the salty water in there. I'm dropping all my leafy greens in there, and I'm gonna let them soak. And what that does is that lets all those icky bugs come off. So we're gonna leave that soaking in this side. And then we've got our carrots. They're carrots. This is our first carrots. This is our first one. It'll probably be a little while before we get more. We've got tons, but this guy's pretty big, so I'm very happy. And then I got this little ball. I tried to plant these little ball carrots, and he didn't come out too good. But anyway, I'm gonna let them soak in the water as well. The salt water is good also for your strawberries. If you have strawberries, you wanna soak those as well. Now we've got our greens soaking, and I'll come back to you guys later so you can see what's up next. Okay, so now our greens have been soaking for about an hour. So they should be nice and clear of any bugs. So then I've got a basket on this side. Let me move this so you guys can see. All right, so I've got a basket on this side of my sink, and this side is my sink of my greens that have been soaking. So I'll pull them out one by one, pull them in my basket to prep them for us to get ready to freeze them. Be right back. Hey, you guys, another word before we leave today. Just remember, gardening's not a hobby. It's a lifestyle. Get with it.